Okay, good evening to all of you. How are you all?
What about you?
I am good. And what about your life? As Honorable Mahi sir told us to represent a drama. We are trying to a drama. Our drama is related to motivation, and our topic of our drama is importance of thoughts in our life. Because thoughts instead that we are in right road, we are in moving right direction, and instead of that just stop right in our speed. So that's guys, you decide and ball is in our goal. What do you want with your life? Because in this era the world we have created is product of our thinking, and in this present era we are looking two types of thinking in our society. One of example is in Syria, Ukraine, and in our India, Pak occupied Kashmir. Some people build up his own create world because that they have different type of bad intention with negative thinking. So nobody can change it. That so many nations and international organizations like UNO try to change it, but nobody can succeed in it because they guys are don't try to change their intention and with negative thinking. Just like that, another example of in our society, we have seen one positive thinking. Best example of positive thinking is addressed by us, our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. He is trying to a new word created by himself is trying to all word convert into positive thinking and newly silence in our society, not only in India but all over the world. So guys, ball is always in your life. What you choose in your life is positive thinking with right direction. Just like that, we are trying to present one little drama is we have one organization is Sankalp organization where we have three types of thinkers. One of them positive thinker, another one is negative thinker, and another one is confused personality. She has doesn't confident about herself and her motive. Let me introduce my drama player, Miss Hedvi. Please come in. Hedvi present a negative thinking, and she is don't believe on herself, and she easily give up her opportunity, and she is demotivator for other employees. And another one is Mr. Abhay. Please begin for Mr. Abhay. Abhay playing a role as a positive thinking and also good motivator for our other employees. And he is too much intelligent, too much confident, and too much positive thinker towards his life. And he is always motivator to others employees. And another one is I want to begin for Mr. Deepak. Deepak playing a role as a senior employee in our organization, and last and newly appointed employee in our organization, Miss Dharmi. Please come in. I want to begin to Miss Dharmi. Dharmi playing a role as a positive, confused personality in our organization, and she is too much intelligent but not confident about her talent and easily give up this opportunity. But we have one motivator in our organization like Mr. Abhay. Mr. Abhay motivate to her. After motivation, she has done her her assignment with successfully. And last and final, I introduce to my Mr. Bhavik. Bhavik play a role as a boss in our organization, and our drama started now. Mind having seat, please.
Thank you. Mr. Deepak, please come in my cabin.
Okay, sir. Come in, sir.
Yeah, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. What's going on, Deepak?
Everything is okay, sir.
Okay, so Mr. Deepak, please give me today's newspaper.
Okay, sir. I give me some time. I take to today's newspaper for you.
Okay.
Here you are.
Thank you. And give me one favor. Please call all employees to come in our meeting room.
Okay, sir. Boss asked all to come in his what meeting room.
Okay, we will come in.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Very good morning. So I have one good news for you.
What, sir?
I have one assignment for you. I did lot of assignments for this organization, and our organizations get very good results on that assignment. So today I think, why don't I give this opportunity to you all? So what do you think? So you think about it. Who is interested to do these assignments? And I will give you 15 minutes after, and after then you will inform me. And I have a venue of this assignment. So you and a whole copy of this assignment. So you can take it and read it, and after then decide who is interested to do this assignment. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day.
I think we won't do this assignment because we will get extra burden of the work due to this assignment. We already have too much burden to this assignment. But boss doesn't understand our situation. I think we all are refused to do this assignment.
I think I wish I could because I have a lot of liabilities of my family and I am eldest one of my family and my father is a cancer patient and he is taking chemotherapy for that. I take him to hospital every day, so I should not.
I agree with you. I know we all know your problems and we all have personal problems. So I think we don't do this.
I am confused because I am working with this organization only for 5 months. Then how can I do this?
Can I join with your conversation?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
sure.
Why not?
Okay. So who is interested to do this assignment? Nobody interested? Then let's I choose one. Miss Dharmi, I choose you.
Me, sir? Are you sure for me?
Why not? I'm sure about you.
I don't have enough experience and this assignment is also very tough.
I know that. That's why I gave you.
Suppose I do it well, then what will you give me?
Then I shall give you a very other tougher assignment.
I thought you will give me a promotion.
Sorry, I won't. For that I have two reasons. First, I don't decide promotion here. I want to select right person. And second, even if ask me about them, then I would not give your name.
Why, sir?
Because I have people working with me last 5 year old. You are only 5-month-old employee. So if I promote over them, then I can't able to run this organization.
Then why should I do this?
I can't promote you, but I will make you promotable. Somebody will definitely promote you. After all, world is much bigger than our organization. So you think about it, take your own time, and after that you will inform me.
If I can't understand, that time what will I do?
I am always here for giving suggestion and advice. So all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir. What do you think? I accept this opportunity or not? Please give me your suggestion.
Why not? Why are you underestimate yourself? I think you are not believe on your boss or you think only about your promotion. Let me tell you one incident. When I was in your situation, boss gave me the assignment. That time my thought was I had demanding a boss. But that time I am not right, but I am wrong. And my thinking was in a wrong way. So I feel it now. So I suggest you that you are going in a wrong way. So think about it. It's not burden for you, but it's great opportunity to you. So think about it. But finally, the ball is in your court.
Sorry to interrupt you. Can I join again with your conversation?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
What's going on?
I am too much confused about this assignment.
Okay, so let's recall Panchtantra story for rabbit and tortoise. Do you know who is win?
Yeah, I know. Tortoise, sir.
Why? You know why? because good daughters believe in his karma, and he is a positive thinker. He didn't concentrate about rabbit ability and his intention. He is believe in his karma. That's why he is a winner of race. So I think this story give you way of thinking and helpful to your decision. So you take your own decision without any pressure. Okay.
I think boss gave you another way of thinking. When I did my assignment, I get a very good position in this organization. So you think on it, and all the best. You should think in the right way, because your thinking gave you best results. I think you should do this assignment because opportunity knock your doors only once. So take your decision in right way.
Thanks for your advice. I think boss and you are right. I have to think on my thoughts for good result. Really, promotion, money and power are not more important as improving my ability. If I make myself promotable person, then I will get promotion, money and power automatically. Thanks, dear. Could I come in, sir?
Oh, Miss Dharmi, please come in. So what you decided, Miss Dharmi?
Sir, I will do this assignment and I am really very thankful to you for giving me this opportunity and believe on me. And I am really very sorry because before some time I was thinking only about my promotion, but now I realize that you are right. I am trying to make myself as a promotable person. I never disappoint you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, now you take decisions good for yours. Do you know, Miss Dharmi, how to get best results? Let's I tell you. You do this assignment with positive thinking, putting smile on your face, on your mind, and your voice thought on your heart. If you will doing best karma, then your karma definitely gives you best results. So all the best for your new assignments, and congratulations for your new assignments.
Thank you, sir. It's our drama and we are trying to present importance of thoughts in our lives. So guys, it's drama for all of you. You can decide your decision, your object and your motive in your life in towards right way with right thinking. Otherwise, you can in trouble. Because in India, we wants to India become an first position in our world. And it's all depend all of us because we all have so much capability in our talent. Do you know in NASA 45% Indian represent to our India. It's proud for us and like we become like just that guys. So I suggest you decide your goal with positive thinking, be positive, be confident and everybody I suggest you always confident because main is life is stage, main is actor and God is director. So don't you worry and don't worry about your result. Do your best with 100% and with positive thinking, and then I will definitely assure you will get each and everything in your life. What do you want? What your desires about your towards your life and what's your dreams? And I recall to one statement of Saint Emerson for all of you. And Saint Emerson says to us, if you start your first step with right way, with positive thinking, then definitely you get seventh step for by God for you, and definitely you got each and everything for your life. And always be positive, guys, because India wants youth empowerment of youth, and we can do each and everything in our life. And my best wishes and best wishes to all of you for your golden future. And then I complete my drama, and I would like to all of you guys, you decide your aim very clear and very positive thinking. I do again and again wish for you because future Indian here is seated in our classroom. So that's why I calling you with my drama, and my drama change on only one student. Then I succeed to create a drama. And lastly, I would like to thank you to Honorable Mahi sir, Blossom and Ravi sir too, to giving us this wonderful opportunity to present a drama in front of all of you. And also I want to thankful to my all drama member. Without your support, we all are wish for Blossom as an icon of English speaking not only in Ahmedabad but all over the India. that day we can speak. We are student of Blossom, and my personally affection with Blossom because Blossom represent our Rajasthan, because I am Rajasthani and Blossom represent our Rajasthan.